So in this short Hostinger tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the language on Hpanel. So what you're going to have to do here is just to click on, make sure you are here on the Hpanel, just log in your Hostinger account. And then here you're going to find your profile. Click on this icon, account. And then here you're going to see your language here. Click on language. And from here you can change the way so here now you can change the way the language is displayed on this website. You can switch to any language, to any of the language of the available languages listed here. So let's see if I look, okay, I find Romanian, now it works. What about Italian? I do have this available here. Deutsch. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. And subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.